Evening, folks. We're live at 9:25, battling for Jason's AFA 80 Bespin Luke. I got 20 spots. Let them on a copy and take over to random to find our winners. Or winner, excuse me. Paste them in there, 1 through 20. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. As you know, we got an 11. So we're battling. Good luck, guys. Here we have it. Josh takes round 1. Adam 2. Don takes round 3. Dustin 4. Ron takes 5. Gary in the top spot for round 6. Maria 7. Dustin 8. And 9. Adam in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 10 with number 1. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Dustin Douglas in at number 14. Congrats, Dustin. Here's the verification. VMJVYX. Bit of a tongue twister. The results don't change. Dustin in at number 14 is the champ. Congrats. I'm done. Just as the clock turns to 9:27 p.m. There you go. There it is one more time. Congrats, Dustin. See you next time, guys. Thanks.